Welcome to Taking a Sec. This is a top-of-the-line soundbar from Bose. Bose SoundTouch 300 or Bose Soundbar 700. Both look the same and they have the identical sound quality that you know and love. This is a top-of-the-line bass module from Bose. If you love movies and you love to feel that rumble and shake, this is a must-have accessory. Pairing between these two could happen wirelessly or wired. But what if you want to take it up a notch and add a second bass module? I have tried many times pairing these two wirelessly and it just doesn't work. Even if I paired one of them wirelessly and the other one plugged in with the cable, it doesn't work. I have no idea why. But with this 3.5mm Y splitter adapter, which you could easily buy for $2 or less, we could finally connect the two subwoofers to the soundbar. In fact, let's compare how running the soundbar by itself, how does that sound like? The same clip, I'm going to use one bass module, and the same clip, I'm going to have two of them running simultaneously. Let's take a look.
Find what you're looking for.
Yeah. And now we need to kill it.
I'm not gonna lie. It's real ugly out there. Down!
Can we watch each other's backs? Like always. You got it, Carmine. Oh, see that spray? A clean kill. Bomb set. Get out of the freedom!
Bomb's about to blow.
Run for it! We gotta leave now!
Come out, wherever you are!
There you have it. The soundbar by itself has some bass, but nothing compared to once we added this bass unit. It added the exact low end that we wanted when you go to your local theater. Adding a second bass unit gave something special to the movie. It didn't increase the bass output, but what it did was it made the bass smoother across the whole room. And that's exactly what you want when you attend a movie. Having dual bass units might not be for everyone, and that's fine. But if you're a movie-holic and you love watching movies and you have a Bose soundbar, you owe it to yourself to pair it up with a single bass unit. Please guys, if you like what we're doing here, help support the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting down below on our YouTube channel and also on our Instagram account. Thank you.